Welcome to Capita. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate the process of assigning both predefined access and custom roles to new or existing platform users and admins. We initiate by clicking on Settings, followed by Manage Roles. Here, you'll notice predefined roles and a tab for a custom admin role. The predefined roles include the administrator role, which offers complete access to the cap table and equity platform, including the ability to edit, upload, and download. The investor role grants access to the cap table, scenarios, downloads, and the data room view. The employee role allows employees to view their individual awards or units and download their documents and reports. The advisor role provides access to the cap table for scenarios, scenario downloads, and access to various instruments in view format. The board director role is limited to board consent access only. Please note that these predefined roles cannot be edited. In addition to these predefined roles, we have the ability to create custom admin roles. To do so, click on Add New Custom Admin Role. When creating a new role, you'll need to fill out the role name, description, and optional details like tags. We can set permissions and provide access by clicking on the roles we wish to grant. You have full flexibility here to configure access as required. After completing these steps, click Save to create the new custom admin role. To add optional details such as equity data tag, equity data access value size, are available in the stakeholder configuration sections. These tags help us create custom admin roles for each department. For example, we go to the configuration section, then click on Add New under Stakeholder Configuration. Here we find the checkbox for equity access data, which links to the custom admin role. Suppose we create a department. Make sure all equity access data custom fields are set as drop-down menus. For example, we add finance and marketing. We check this box and click Save. After saving and scrolling down, we see that a department tag is created and the equity data E tag is already there. We check this mark and click Save. Now we continue with creating our custom admin role. Click Add New Custom Admin. We can name it CR Access. Here, we see an access tag for the department with several options. If we set this access for the finance department, this custom admin role will only apply to finance. This setup lets us share access with the finance department head. Only this stakeholder can view the grants for employees in the finance team. For example, this custom admin from finance can view equity award plans and stock options, grant them, download reports from the data room, and share access with other employees. When we share this access, the tag ensures only finance department employee details are included. Now, we save this configuration. After saving, we see the CR access tag, showing this is for the finance department. For the system to know which employees are in a department, we go to the stakeholder section, click Edit Stakeholder, navigate to Optional Details, Other Details, and the department. We select Finance and click Save. This way, the system recognizes that the employee belongs to finance. When a finance head or admin gets access, only employees from the finance department are shown. This is how the Equity Data Access tab works. Please reach out if you have any questions. We are always here to help. Thank you.